Hi there, welcome to the Sharp Air Purifier demo. Thank you for choosing Sharp, a brand synonymous with world-class and superior quality products. Today, we will walk you through unboxing, installation, operation, and maintenance, making your Sharp Air Purifier setup simple and hassle-free. Let's begin by unboxing your Sharp Air Purifier. Inside the box, you will find Sharp Air Purifier main unit, user manual, and warranty card. Please ensure all parts are present. Before first use, make sure the filters are properly installed. Now, open the back cover of the air purifier. Take the filters out from the unit. Remove the plastic cover of the air purifier. Insert the filters in the correct order. See the arrow on the filter and make sure that the arrow pointing inside should be inside. The arrow pointing out outside should be outside. HEPA filter, deodorizing filter. Now you can secure the back cover. Place your air purifier on a stable, flat surface. Keep out from the kitchen and puja room. Ensure at least 30 centimeters or 1 foot gap from the wall for proper airflow and maximum height 1 foot from ground. If the purifier is on a heavily carpeted area, it may vibrate lightly. This is normal. Avoid direct sunlight, heat, and water exposure. Plug in your unit. Press the power button to turn on and off. Press haze. Fan operates at a high speed for 60 minutes, then alternates between low to high for 20 minutes. Press fan speed button to control the fan speed. Off timer, select the length of time you want it on. This will automatically turn off the unit. Press mode button for 3 seconds to activate plasma cluster, which cleans the air by emitting positive and negative ions. Tap the filter gently to remove the dust. Clean the pre-filter regularly with a soft brush or vacuum for optimal performance. Wipe the outer body with a dry, soft cloth. Do not wash or reuse filters. If you notice reduced airflow or increased odors, the filter may need replacement. Always use Sharp original replacement filters. If your machine is not operating properly, recheck the power connection and ensure filters are installed correctly. For further help, you may register a complaint at Sharp Customer Care 1-8004194322. Congratulations! Your Sharp Air Purifier is now ready to keep your indoor air fresh and healthy. Don't forget to register your product serial number with Sharp Customer Care for warranty and support. Thank you for trusting Sharp. Breathe pure, live well.